Forces by Lucas Aleo, Samuel Avila, and Christian Centeno. What is a net force? A net force is the sum of all forces acting on an object. Newton's law. You can use Newton's law to find the net force. Newton's first law states that an object at rest will remain at rest unless acting on by another force. Newton's second law. Newton's second law states that an object in motion will remain in motion unless acted on by another force. Newton's third law. Newton's third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction.
Free body diagrams. Free body diagram is just a simple sketch of the object showing all the forces that are acting on it. These forces are called vectors.
Forces acting on objects are Fg, force due to gravity, Fa, applied force, Fn, normal force, Fnet, net force, Ff, force due to friction.
How to find the net force. To calculate the net force and any vectors acting on the same axis together, making sure to pay attention to the directions. Let's assume that the wheels of a car apply 10 newtons of force forward and the car weighs 10 kilograms. What is the net force if friction and drag are neglected? What will be the acceleration of the car?
The net force will equal 10 newtons forward. The mass will accelerate. The acceleration is 1 meter second squared.
You can find this by dividing the total amount of force applied divided by the mass.
10 divided by 10 will get you 1.
And this will become the acceleration. What is the net force if the wheels of a car apply 10 newtons and the weight is 10 kilograms, but there is a parachute that applies 7 newtons in the other direction? The net force will equal to 3 newtons forward. The mass will start accelerating. The acceleration would be 0.3 meters per second squared. You can find this by combining both of the forces that were applied. The 10 going forward minus the 7 going backward, which will give you the 3 newtons for the net force. And then you will divide the net force by the weight, which will give you 0.3 meters per second squared, which would be your acceleration. A rocket applies an additional force of 10 newtons forward to the 10 newtons that are applied by the wheels, and the car weighs 10 kilograms. What is the net force if the parachute continues to apply 7 newtons in the other direction? The net force will equal to 13 newtons forward. The mass will accelerate. The acceleration is 1.3 meters per second squared. You can find this by adding the 2 newtons that are going in the same direction, subtracted by the other 7 newtons that are going in the opposite direction, which will give you 13 newtons. You then later divide the 13 newtons by the weight of the car, which will give you your acceleration, which will be 1.3 meters per second squared.
Thank you for watching, and leave a like and subscribe for more weird science videos.